Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy and low miles. Features also include leather-wrapped steering wheel, cruise control, satellite radio. With these ratings, you are going to love the 2012 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, anti-lock braking system, traction control, keyless entry, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, driver airbag, AM/FM stereo with CD player, four-wheel drive. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.